What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakira and you're watching Shakira B TV. Okay, so as you guys have seen by the title of this video, today I'm going to be taking you guys grocery shopping with me. So it's been a minute since I've gone grocery shopping and I need to re-up on pretty much everything, like spices and water, milk, the essentials, like pretty much everything. And I'm kind of on a time crunch. It's currently 7:57 where I'm at, so I think I'm going to go to the Walmart neighborhood store instead of the Walmart super center. So I should be able to find, pretty much everything I need there. And because I am going to be recording majority of my shopping, and because I also get very sidetracked when I go grocery shopping, I've made a grocery list. So what I did was I googled like grocery list template because I like my shopping to be organized. I don't like to be like, oh, I need eggs, and then I need a box of macaroni, and then I need milk. Like, you're gonna be going back and forth from different aisles. So it's good to have your grocery list organized so you can pretty much know what you're looking for and where you're looking for it. I have like 10 different categories. I know it looks like a lot. Some of this stuff I might not even get today, but yeah, we're about to go shopping. Okay, so it's 8:04, not even 10 minutes later. I've made it to my neighborhood Walmart, and I don't really have too much of a game plan besides go down my list and grocery shops. Like I said, I have it listed in different categories: fruits and vegetables, canned goods, frozen foods, meat, fish, and shellfish, dairy and deli, condiments, spices and oils, snacks, bread, pasta, rice and cereal, drinks, and then baking stuff. I'm gonna be wearing a face mask, so hopefully you guys can hear me. And yeah, let's just get into it. We're gonna see. It's currently 8:05. I'm gonna try to be done with this in an hour, and hopefully I can do it less than an hour. So by 9:05 I should be done, and I will keep you updated. That's crazy. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with the produce section of my grocery list. Let me know if you guys do produce first or like shelved items first. Get some blueberries because my son loves to eat blueberries, and they're also really good in smoothies. Okay, what else do I need? Don't need that. Mushrooms. I love mushrooms just to like saute in anything. What kind of mushrooms though? I like these with pizza. Ooh. Let's see. Should I get the... Nah, I'm gonna get the regular chopped garlic. You guys, so I'm really tempted to try some vegan cheese. But this cheese is $5.28. Like just the slices? $5.38 for this, for some vegan cheese. It's tripping. And should I buy pre-made guacamole or should I make my own? I think I'm gonna make my own. Alright, trying to film and shop at the same time is definitely slowing me down. So I'm gonna try to like make something. Hopefully you guys don't fall like that. Oh my gosh. Alright. Spinach. I need spinach. So I do need some garlic. And I think I'm gonna get squeezed garlic. Bag of onions. So I almost thought they didn't have these, but they do. Salad cucumbers. I'm so sorry I got y'all at an angle, but it's the best that I can do considering the circumstances. Okay. Boom. Hopefully that's better. Alright, so I got cucumbers, tomatoes, onions. I got avocado. I got garlic, mushrooms, blueberry, spinach, and potatoes. I'm doing pretty good. I'm almost done in the produce section. Peppers. So, oh wait. Actually, I'm gonna get this kind instead. So I'm about to get some lemons and limes. Literally can't stand when you come to the grocery store and everything is out of stock. Like these bananas, I don't know about that. They got green polka dots on them. So I'm about to be the person to go in a box and find me some good bananas because I am a good paying customer. There we go. My son loves these. Alright, so I've gotten everything on my list out of produce except for like the mini sweet peppers. And quite frankly, I don't see any of those. So everything I was able to get on my grocery list except for, yeah, the peppers. So what I might do is just get a bell pepper. I'm gonna just get this one because they don't look. I'm over here by the dairy and deli and the different juices and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and get next. I mostly drink water, so the juices are for my son and my boyfriend. But yeah, there's a variety. So I'm gonna get an orange juice, just one, because no, I like it without the pulp. No pulp. Am I gonna have to get? How many ounces is this? 1.6, 1.8. I don't want pulp. Okay, so I gotta reach all the way back in the back. Thank God for being tall. Okay, so I'm gonna get one orange juice. Even though I know we got a little bit of orange juice at home, but we're not really drinking that. Oh wow, they have pre-made smoothies. Okay, I'm gonna get that box is kind of beat up. I'm gonna get a peach punch, and I'm gonna get a mango punch. I be getting flavors that I like, even though I don't be the main person drinking juices. Okay, so I got my Minute Maid drinks. I said I wanted to start like trying iced coffee, and that looks really good, but I don't know, because I don't want to like get into a bad habit. I don't already drink coffee like that, so. Oh, now this, yeah, this will fall in the snack department. Because my son likes these. That's strawberry and birthday cake. They got cotton candy and strawberry. I'm not too crazy about them flavors. Strawberry kiwi and strawberry. I guess I'll give him this. Oh, they got, is that 18 in there? Strawberry banana and strawberry. I get 12, and it's almost a $2 difference for 6 more. I think I'm gonna just stick with this one. That would fall under the snack category. I'm honestly not too big on yogurt. I do need cheese though. I do need cheese. So it's honestly, I had lunch meat on my list, but I don't think I'm gonna get it because sometimes when we buy too much lunch meat, it ends up going to waste. I can replace that with a couple of Lunchables though for my son. I'm gonna probably just get like 2 Lunchables. Yeah. Just chicken dumps. What that come with? These cookies? Yeah, I'm gonna just get these 2. Okay, so I haven't gotten anything over here yet. I've gotten drinks, so juices. Yeah, so it's kind of difficult to film and shop at the same time because I want to make sure I'm showing y'all stuff, but at the same time I'm on a time crunch like I said at the beginning. So hopefully you guys can hear me like this. Forgive me for the angle, but I'm about to shop for real. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm trying to eat healthier. Okay, so sour cream, pomegranate seeds. So I look lost because I am, because the way this stuff is set up in this store is crazy. I only get a small thing of 2% milk because I try to stay away from actual dairy milk. My son, he only drinks almond milk. So I think, is this the right one? Nah. Vanilla unsweet. That's the milk that me and my son drink. So now I need to get butter, cream cheese, and eggs. And then I'm gonna have to go up and down the aisles, but I think it was a good idea that I made a list. So I'm getting cream cheese because I want to make like some and I'm gonna be honest, I'm about to get it off brand because it's half the price of Philadelphia. I'm gonna get some bagels for my boyfriend. And they got the smaller thing of that. So, oh, that look good. Okay, so I'm gonna get this mixed berry cream cheese spread for the bagels. Okay, so I got the almond milk, the shredded cheese, the sour cream. I need butter and eggs. I want to get some plant-based butter. This right here, country crock plant butter. Oh, this say with avocado oil. The other one is with olive oil. I think I'm gonna get the one with olive oil. Oh, they got the dang, do I want that? That's a pound. So I wanted to get some plant butter. I've tried it already before, but I don't usually get it because it's like 3 times the price of regular butter. They got it with avocado oil, with olive oil in a stick form, and then they got the tub form. And since I have some sticks at home already, I'm just gonna get the tub. Oh, yeah, the tub. But so everything on my fruits and vegetables and my dairy and deli list is done. Good progress. I need eggs. I almost forgot about the doggone eggs. Oh no, honey. Oh no. Move that. Do I wanna? Okay, should I get that or no? I'm not gonna go all extra. I'm gonna just get this. Hopefully ain't none of these crap. Okay guys, so right now I'm about to go to like the condiments, the spices, and the oils and stuff because that is the longest category on my list. And I feel like if I knock that out, being the fact that most of it is on one aisle anyway, that'll make me feel a lot more accomplished. Okay, so this is my list for condiments, spices, and oils. So yeah, I'm just about to start throwing stuff in there. They got cheesy taco mix, original taco, 10 pounds. Nah, I just need some regular old taco seasoning mix. It is Tuesday, so I'm gonna participate in Taco Tuesday. I think I need like regular seasonings. I already got some pink salt at home. I just need to like, hopefully they got everything in stock that I need. Poppy seed. I got a whole big old thing of poppy seeds, but I ain't got no black pepper. Minced onion. Oh, you're boring me. Okay, so I try to stay away from things that have like salt in the title because I don't want to be adding all of that extra sodium. That's why I just stick with the pink salt. I do know though I want some Old Bay. Ooh, I gotta get me a Tony's. Oh wait, here you go. Black pepper. Should I just get that big old thing of black pepper? I'm not spending $6 on pepper. I'm not. Or should I? Oh wait. Is this $1.48 for the same thing, just non-name brand? Or is that the PSH? Okay, no, that's $4.98. So the small one is $2.68. I'm gonna grab the small one. They be having this stuff all the way in the back. Okay, so I got the pepper. Yeah, do I want spice and herbs or they ain't got the yellow Tony's? Y'all, it's this Lowry seasoning. It's like a chili lime something. I gotta find it. I used it in a cooking competition in college, and that stuff is like life changing. I'm trying to see, should I get this? I think I'm gonna get it. I still need like garlic powder, onion powder. I don't even see that. I got minced garlic already. They got all them extra seasonings up there. Watch them be the ones that I need. Okay, so it looks like I'm SOL with the garlic powder, onion powder. I mean, because I like to get the Walmart brand because, I mean, they're $1 for seasoning. But, because I don't want no minced garlic, I don't want no minced onion, I don't want no garlic salt. I just want regular ground garlic. And if y'all can't give it to me here, it's perfectly fine. I'll just go somewhere else. This is crazy though. I do want to get like some Mrs. Dash. Mrs. Dash, y'all, like this is good on salads. This is good on pretty much anything, and it's salt free. So if you're somebody with high blood pressure, this is definitely a good seasoning. I want to grab this $4.34. Do they got the smaller one? If I get a small one, that means I got a variety. Table blend. Okay, this one my grandma used to get, the table blend. And then they got all different types. They got chicken, Southwest Chipotle. I think I'm gonna get the table blend. And then yes, I think that's all that I'm getting as far as seasonings, at least from here, because they don't really have what I'm looking for. Oh wait, they got this big old thing of garlic powder up there. Why they don't have it down here? I'm about to be ratchet, y'all, and reach up here. Hopefully this is not ratchet. I think this is just me needing what I want and reaching for it because I'm tall enough. Oh, and it wasn't that bad of a reach. So I know this probably gonna be like $5 or $6, but I got my garlic powder. I like just regular garlic powder. And then I like onion powder too. Once again, not minced onions, not onion salt, just onion powder. But I don't see that. So instead of just wasting time, I'm just gonna move on. Okay. But let's see. So I got the black pepper, I got the garlic powder, I got the taco seasoner, I got the Old Bay. Okay, the rest of these is like oils and like sauces and stuff. So like, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get on that aisle. Okay, so next up is juice boxes. I could get it's the apple berry fruit punch cake. My bad. This is why folks don't like to go grocery shopping with me, because I see stuff and I be indecisive about what I want to get. Alright, I'm gonna juice boxes for my son. Purple bag. We don't eat popcorn like that, but we have a lot of movie nights, so. Alright, so I literally got the smallest thing of popcorn I can find because I don't want it to be one of them things that I buy and it just sits in the cabinet. Fruit snacks. I don't even need that. Definitely fruit snacks though. These are $1. Okay. So I need the cookie iron. Also, it's a little girl that lives next door to us that likes to play with the car. She just turned 7 today. And I asked her what she wanted for her birthday, and she said Oreo. So I'm definitely gonna get her some Oreos. Also need to get some Oreos for at home. I think this is small. Is this just regular Oreos? And a Bisco. Oh, that's the same. It's just that's family size. Okay, so I got her a little small pack of Oreos. Crackers. I'm gonna get the club crackers. Y'all, club crackers is literally, club crackers is the bomb. Wait, I got Oreos, but I gotta get a type of cookie for the card because the card will tear some cookies up. I think animal crackers, because with animal crackers you can get a big bag like this, and it will last you. And I promise you guys, I'm still following by my list. It's just like I know what's on there, so I'm not gonna keep stopping to just look at it. Pasta sauce. I need pizza sauce and pasta sauce. So I already got one thing of pasta sauce at home. So I just made Alfredo, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave pasta sauce off for today, and then if I decide to make pasta, then I'll come back and get some. But I just made pasta recently, so I think I'm gonna do it what I have. But I am gonna get some pizza sauce. This, I am still gonna get some pasta. Tried this out recently, loved it. If you guys can't see it, yeah, I think I'm gonna just go with that. Okay, so I'm gonna can vegetables aisle. My boyfriend and my son are not too big on vegetables, so I'm probably just gonna get like a couple of cans of vegetables. Excuse me. Ooh, I did want some. I'm not too crazy about chickpeas, but I wanted to try some because I've been seeing them in a lot of recipes. And yeah. So I got me some Glory seasoned greens, and I like these because, like I said, I live in a family of 3, and they are not huge vegetable eaters, so it wouldn't make sense for me to go buy a whole thing of greens to clean them and cook them and all of that stuff. I'm literally just eating it for me. So yeah. Oh, one thing I did not put on there, baked beans. You should always have a can of baked beans on standby. And I typically like alternate the different kinds I try. Oh, I wanted to get a thing of like sloppy Joe mix. I don't think that's on this aisle though. Okay, so I got a taco kit. But why get a taco kit when you can literally just make it yourself? 18 taco shells. 6 taco shells, 6 flour tortillas. I think this is the one I'm gonna go with because it's 6 hard shells, 6 soft. Hopefully that'll be enough. If not, we could just have the meat on the side. Oh yeah, and I want to try like this Beyond meat to make the tacos tonight. And try that. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that or just use turkey. But I'm gonna shop some more and I'll update you guys on my progress. Hey you guys, so this is my buggy. It's a buggy full of stuff, and I honestly think I did pretty good with my grocery list. The last time I checked the clock, it was 9:03, so I'm approaching my hour mark. I'm sure that there are some things that I didn't get around to grabbing, either because I didn't see them, or because I ran out of time, or they just didn't have it. So once I get home, I'll pretty much show you guys the after of my refrigerator, the before and after, and yeah, I'll scratch everything off of my grocery list. All right, you guys, so it is 9:18. I'm officially back in the car, done grocery shopping. I would have liked to take you guys like down every single aisle and talked a little bit more, but as I stated multiple times before, kind of on a time crunch. I still have to cook dinner tonight, but I did see some really cool things in there. So thumbs up if you guys want me to do more grocery hauls. I definitely enjoy doing this, especially because I'm passionate about cooking, and you know, I'm just an all-around foodie. So if you guys would like to see more types of these vlogs or like shopping hauls or whatever, definitely let me know down in the comments. But I'm about to head home. Once I get this stuff in the refrigerator, like I said, I'll show you guys the before and after, and tell you guys like the total of the groceries. All right, you guys, so this is a before of what my refrigerator looks like. It's just some lunch meat and hot dogs, corn from like a local farm over here that my boyfriend's grandma gave me. Some orange juice. It's not outdated, but it's not the freshest. That Pediasure back there, my son doesn't like it, so that's literally just sitting there. We have water, some open cheese, the pear fruit cups that nobody in my house eats. We only like the peaches and the oranges, and then one Capri Sun left over. Some mayo that's almost out, some jelly packages from McDonald's, a piece of ginger, some condiments and stuff. And then freezer, I gotta throw this away. Got some turkey, one last Hot Pocket, a big old piece of ham that I know I'm not gonna cook, that was given to me by my boyfriend's mom. Some chicken breast, some corn dogs, and some fish sticks. And then a piece of bread on top. Okay, you guys, so now I'm about to show you the after of my refrigerator and my cabinet. So up here, before I went shopping, all we had was the bread. Now we got animal crackers, chips, dinner rolls, bananas. Open the freezer. We got breakfast sandwiches, a seasoning blend. Still got them corn dogs and that turkey. But I got pizza. I got salmon, some ice cream sandwiches, some turkey burgers, frozen mangoes for my smoothies, and broccoli. Now the refrigerator, it's a difference. Okay, so we'll start with a door. So I got some cream cheese, some plant butter, some cream cheese spread, some sour cream. I got some ranch, some jelly, some cheese, some juice, and some milk. And then down here is stuff that like my son can eat and reach. So Lunchables, the little milkshake things, peach cups, fruit juices, fruit snacks, and applesauce. Almond milk, and then my produce. So I put the lemons and limes in here. Got my oranges, got mushrooms, tomatoes, strawberries, blueberries, that's the cucumbers, the onions, the avocados, the spinach, bell peppers. I put the corn I had in the bag. I got a double thing of eggs. I got some bagels. I got another thing of water. Say hey, Stink. Hey, Dakar. Hi. These are my cabinets. These are the only two food cabinets I have. I honestly still haven't finished unpacking like my kitchen stuff, but some potato packs, a box of macaroni, some rice, some grits, tea, sugar, peanut butter, syrup, oil that's almost out, cereal, Pop-Tarts, like chips, cookies, and candy. Oh, seasoning wise, it's very much so, like nothing. I got a bag of tea, some hot sauce, pink Himalayan salt. That's trash. Almost trash. Lemon pepper and seasonal. Now for my cabinet, I got some potatoes. I got some more peanut butter, some fish fry. I got some coconut oil and olive oil. That's for my hair, honestly. I got some half-length spaghetti, some baked beans, some little Chef Boyardee for my son, some green beans, some pizza sauce, and some garbanzo beans because I want to try them in my salad. And I got another box of cereal, some pancake mix, some oatmeal. I got some muffins, some club crackers, some popcorn, and some Oreos. And that's the old stuff. Over here, I got another thing of mayo because I was running low. I got some mustard, some teriyaki sauce, some honey, the Mrs. Dash, the Tony seasoning, Old Bay, pepper, and garlic powder. And then I got that stuff too, but this is the stuff that I'm using for dinner tonight because it's Taco Tuesday. So this is the grocery list. And here's my total. It came up to $229.39 because I had food stamps, but before food stamps it was like $238. So that's one thing I like about food stamps. It saves you the taxes. Period. Okay, you guys, so I know I showed you my grocery list. And I said that I was going to come back home and scratch off everything that I got and then show what I didn't get. So these are the different categories that I had. Fruits and vegetables, canned goods, frozen meats, dairy, condiments, snacks, breads and grains, drinks, and baking. Oh, that's one thing I didn't write up there. Okay, so out of everything on my list, I did pretty good. And this is what I didn't get. So these are things that I can live without. Most of these things they didn't have, or I didn't have time for it, or I just didn't like the price of it. So I just decided to leave it alone, wait till I actually need that item, or I can go to a different store. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my grocery list, what I did and what I didn't get. Yeah.